Well, Wetwork Kustoms claims they've sent me some trash that I'll actually want to show off. Let's see what's inside.
And now, Diecast Discoveries on the Diecast Media Network.
Hey there folks, Chuck here, and welcome to another unboxing Diecast Discoveries thing. Actually, I'm going to save this one because I got a couple packages in the mail from Craig over at Wetwork Kustoms. You may have seen our interview with him on Diecast Breakdown. Very cool guy. He's doing some really awesome stuff. I've got a unboxing video of one of his diorama kits. He does custom dioramas? Diarrheas? I don't know. Of people's garages or dream garages or homes. But he also has existing kits as well. And I did his kit recently. Well, I got it. I bought that one with my own money. And he said, hey, I've got these things that will help your diorama really stand out. So that's what he sent me here. So I'm going to look in here and see what we got, because I am itching to build this diorama. Rima? Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. Looks like Craig went overboard. Thank you, Craig. Alright, what do we got here? So, these are tree kits that he has. They look great in the photos, and it looks like these are handmade. This looks like it's done using seafoam, the plant called seafoam, and he's added flocking to it. And let's take a look inside, because I'm very eager to see. I really shouldn't have ripped that bag. Oh well, of course I have it. But let's see here. These look super nice. Let's take a look. Look at that. So, yeah, full disclosure, he sent me these for free. He's not paying me, but I did receive these for free in exchange for an honest review. And, here's the price of what his medium, what is this called? Trees medium set costs. So that's what the medium trees are. They are, this one's about 2 inches tall. Or 5 centimeters, give or take. And, alright, so those are the medium trees. We got some large trees. We got, it looks like a large tree. Oh, no, there's a couple in there. 2. And again, you're seeing on your screen now what a large tree would cost. I really hope I'm not gonna regret tearing those bags. Alright. So, it needs a little fluffing, but that's because it's been smushed in a bag and transported and then sat on my shelf for a while because I didn't realize all the cool stuff that Craig had packed for me. Yeah, it spreads out, so very well done. You know. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a nifty coaster. That's awesome. It's definitely going on the workbench. And again, check him out. And check out his interview with us. We had a really great conversation. He's doing some incredible stuff. He's looking at, having opening garage doors in 1/64 scale. Incredible stuff. And I'm blown away by the intricacy of what you can do with laser cuts and good design. So this is a display plinth that he's made. It's got a really nice angle to it. So let's see. I've got... I always have a Bruise Cruiser handy these days. So you can put that on there, so that gets you a sense of the scale. And yeah, that is a very cool way to display your cars. I love the checkerboard. It's actually textured, so there's a little bit of a relief to it. So that will look really cool painted up. I mean, it looks beautiful as it is. So, and he hand makes all of these. Alright. And here's what I was originally expecting to be in here. I thought it was just going to be bricks, and the guy gave me a mini Christmas treat. Before I get to those, let's take a look at these. These are fences that he has made. Again, these will be great for the garage that I bought from him. So you can see there. Very neatly cut. There's little, rounded edges up here at the top, so it actually looks like a real wood fence. Right. And there's a couple of loose fence posts that you can use those in between. Those would be like a 1/64 scale 4x4 or something. Oh, very cool. And the bricks. I'm very interested to get my hands on the bricks because they are actually made out of a clay-like material. And always be careful with your knives, kids. So I thought I was just getting the red bricks, and he had sent me a little bit of the gray ones too. So we'll get a little one out here to check out. So that is a 1/64 scale brick. And you can see it's actually like molded. You can get the mold marks off of it or crumble them. You could add cracks. If you wanted to do cracks in the brick or have it eroded away. That is super cool. So the garage kit that I have has bricks etched into it, but he said that there's a way to, what you do is you take these and you lay them, glue them carefully one by one over it, and then use a mixture of the spackle and water, and that becomes your grout. So looks like I've got a tedious night ahead of me laying brick. So that's exciting. I got 3 bags here. That is awesome. So thank you, Craig. Again, check out wetworkkustoms.com. But we're not done. We're not done, because this is what I'm really excited about. This is what arrived in the mail today. It's a new product that he's just launched. I'm going to try and be very careful here. I don't want to cut what's inside. And we'll see. These are his new dumpsters in 1/64 scale. He does stuff in 1/24 scale too. So if you're a 1/24 scale person and you want to do dioramas in 1/24, check him out. But I was very excited when he sent me these as early kind of... They're available for sale now, but I was seeing pictures of these before they were out on the market. And I'm hoping he'll release them as kits as well. But, if you're not feeling like making a kit, he has these available currently on the site. I know they're $18, and that might sound like a lot for a couple dumpsters, but I think once I get these out and you get a look at them, you'll understand why. Because these are not the dumpsters that come with your Matchbox garbage truck. These are actual mini works of art that he has hand done and are ready to display out of the box. I'm going to try very carefully not to mess these up. But, I mean, look at these. Like, even with, trash on the side, there's little trash bags, piping, like insulation pieces. So, now these are glued down. I did ask if they had lids. They do not. Or the lids do not function, I should say. But I think if he does offer them as a kit, you'll be able to display them open or closed. But look at this. It's so cool. It's got little bits of tissue and stuff that looks like bags. And, again, these are not, small dumpsters. These would be like industrial dumpsters like you'd have outside of a car shop or a restaurant or something like that. So these are absolutely beautiful. And I never thought I'd say that about a dumpster. but very cool. He's added a bit of weathering to them. They've got scrapes on them. There's dirt, and there's good fading and dust on them, and just a very nice setup. So if you want to have some dumpsters and you don't want to go through the hassle of filling them and decorating them yourself, which that sounds like a fun evening project for me, but sometimes you just want to have something ready to go right out of the box, and that's what these are, and they are fantastic. So again, thank you to Craig at Wetwork Kustoms. Check his stuff out, and tell him the Diecast Media Network sent you, because they always like hearing where people come from, and it really helps support the show, and they'll continue to send interesting stuff and interesting interviews our way. So again, thank you to the patrons that make this show go. If you want to join their ranks, you can visit diecastmedianetwork.com or click the join button down below. And while you're down there, click that like, subscribe, share the videos that you like, and look around. We got a lot of other great videos on here. David's been doing some great news and reviews, and we've got my custom builds and all sorts of interviews with people that are moving and shaking the diecast world, including Wetwork Kustoms. Check that out. It was a really fun interview. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with us for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.